In this lesson, we are going to cover a really neat sketch tool command. It is called Rapid Sketch. But before we do that, we need to review how we have been creating sketches up to this point. For the most part, all of the lessons that we have covered, every time we need to create a sketch, we would go to the Sketch tab, select the sketch icon, and then select one of the three primary plans for the new sketch. For a couple of the lessons, we actually went out to a 3D part and select right on the face for the new sketch. Now, let's say for example, we want to create a sketch on this face here, along with another sketch on this face and a sketch on this face here. Based on what we have covered up to this point, we would go to the sketch command, select the first face, go to our sketch tools. I will select a circle and then create a circle on that face. When I'm done sketching, I will close out of the sketch, go back to the sketch command, select this face, go back to the sketch ribbon, select the circle command, create my new circle, close out of the sketch, create a third sketch on this face here, and once again go back to the circle command. And as you can see, it is somewhat time consuming, but that is based on what we covered up to this point. Now what we are going to do is use the Rapid Sketch command, and that is going to greatly speed up the process of what we just stepped through. Now, before I activate the Rapid Sketch button, I'm going to select Undo a few times to remove those last three sketches. And now I'm ready to start Rapid Sketch. I'm going to go to my circle command, and notice, as soon as I position the cursor above any surface, we see an image of a plan. So I'm going to select my center point and draw a circle. If I move above this face here, select my center point, draw the circle, you can see I'm quickly creating sketches and the plan updates automatically. Now, we are not tied into one sketch tool. In fact, we can change sketch tools on the fly. So, if I go to corner rectangle and go to the top face, I can sketch a rectangle. Now, I have 4 sketches here. You may be wondering, how is this going to appear in the Feature Manager tree? So, if I close out of this last sketch, notice in the Feature Manager tree, I have 4 sketches. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content.